Hello people and welcome back to Car Dashcam channel, a channel which features some of the craziest road encounters out there. We got all the best moments caught on driver's dashcam and this episode is going to be full of them. All the clips used in this video are for educational purposes and without any further ado, let's start with today's episode. To be fair, I was sure that the driver would pull out in front of the camera, but somehow he managed to stop in the last possible moment. There is a huge road marking that says keep clear area and you could nearly notice it even from a plane, but this driver didn't care about the traffic signs and road markings at all. It's dangerous to hang out of your car while driving. These passengers put themselves at a great risk of falling out of the vehicle for no real reason.
This is actually insane. It's scary. Now I'm like worried. Like, why are they doing
What kind of car is that?
It's a Lexus.
It's a Lexus? What
Yeah.
color? Black?
I guess like black or gray.
Okay, I'm gonna go beside him.
Oh my god. Like, should we call the police?
Yeah, we will.
This is actually insane.
They're like different people. Record, please.
Yeah, man.
Okay, stop.
Mais là, ça, c'est un écusson, ça, de comme 12$ qu'elle t'a donné. Lui, il a brisé la loi aussi. Il n'est pas arrêté pour un... Puis regarde, il y a une police juste là.
As the camera was approaching the roundabout, he was in for a surprise. One driver cut the lane and tried to move in front of the camera and this nearly caused an accident. This is why you need to keep your eyes on the road at all times and see a safe distance between you and other vehicles.
the f you doing? It wasn't a four-way stop, you.
At the Site Fair Home and Outdoor Living Show this weekend at the Berry Center. Go to texwoodshows.com for more information. Managing
With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something from all these videos. After all, why not learn by observing others? If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because it really helps a lot. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and click that bell button to stay up to date with the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.